Masuknya. Check. Okay, ada pun live. Oh. Macam mana nak copy link ni dah? Let's share. As a Mr. Harry. Then I share this post to my Okay, what's up guys? Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And how are you? This evening I just finished my seminar. I'm quite tired now. But I just got a call from my friends. He said that he asked me a help, asked me for a hand. He said that his customer got hacked, and I asked him that what platform that his customer use, and he said that the customer uses WordPress. So I said I think like WordPress, and WordPress. Okay, so because WordPress is open source application, and of course they are open to hackers to read their code, to study the code, study the infrastructure. So if the customer's developer has not implemented any security measurements, any security touch up, so might be easy to hack for their websites. Okay, so now I just checking my my live now. Is it working or not? Easy to hack. Yes, works. Because this evening my seminar the live doesn't work, and I got so many WhatsApp coming in. They ask me where is the live, where is the Facebook live, where is the YouTube live, because I promised them that I will provide their my live, but damn. I don't know why what happened that I cannot do my live this evening. So I'm so sorry for you guys, for those participants that join my seminar this evening. I'm sorry because my live this evening is not work as expected. Okay, I'm sorry. So today, for this night tonight, I'm going to analyze one of my my friend's customer website, which is they are using WordPress, and the WordPress has been hacked. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see their website now, the kiddyjoyofficial.com. So here they got some PHP error, and I try to log into their admin also. This is the error. Actually, I don't really know what error here. It's either the PHP version change, or they have update their servers, they update their cPanels, or their WordPress has been hacked. So I really don't know. I don't have any idea. I just got this information last night, but I said to my friends that I'm quite busy to set up my seminar, so I will be checking it by tonight. So now here we are. Welcome guys, siapa yang ada, welcome. So let's check it, what happened here. So this is the FTP, and then I have the websites. Seems like they have been hacked. So now I'm going to see in their FTP. So this is the public HTML folder. So as far as I know, what is LSCM data? Okay, so the first step in repairing a website that have been hacked or error, the first step is we need to back up the data first, because sometimes when we want to repair things in the WordPress, it might be we need to delete some certain data that maybe we need to backup back or recover back. So we need to just backup. So the simple way is we can use FTP file manager, this one, the file manager in cPanel, and then we can go to the PHP MyAdmin. So from the control panel file manager, then we can just like right click here and put compress and put it in a zip and rename it as a backup.zip. Okay, and then I will just compress it. Tahun depan. Okay, so we need to wait a while the backup process is working on. Okay. Okay. So let's wait, and then from the PHP MyAdmin, I think we can just download the SQL maybe. Oh, so many table here. I think they use WooCommerce, I think, because this prefix WC is for WooCommerce by default. So I think we can export this database first. So okay. So then just download, save the file. So we need to wait a while. The file has been downloaded, and the file in the control panel is being zipped. Okay. So maybe we need to wait a while. Meanwhile, I will check the cPanel and the version of this WordPress. I think, but I think this one got hacked because here the got some unknown files. I think this is not the default WordPress file. The 11351.js at minor dash raster. I think this is not the default WordPress file like this hello.php one signal. It's maybe it's either they uploaded the file or the hacker upload the file. So it's between these two. So we need to check each one of these. And then okay, this one is complete. So okay. So now we can check their code. Okay, maybe we check the license.txt to see the versions maybe. WordPress. Nothing in here. I think this is nothing to do with us. Okay, then we can check the what is this at minor raster 777.php. The file is quite big. It's 477 kilobytes. I think this one is quite big. What code inside? I still don't know. So here we are at minor compact database management. Author Jacob Verana. Copyright Jacob Verana. What is this code actually doing? I don't know. At minor.org. What is this? Let me check. Let me see. Database management in a single PHP file. I think this one is like it's like PHP MyAdmin maybe. So maybe we can try to run it, I think, or not to run it. Is it okay to run it or not to run it? I don't know, but we can try. At minor dash raster dash 777.php. Okay, so this one is a file to manage the database. Okay, so what happened in here? Is this hello world X? What inside here? Super PWA. Hmm. I think this one is just to convert their website into PWA, but it's not the whole website. What is this code doing? Service worker for Super PWA. I think this one is not the virus. This one is a script that they added. Uh, they added it. Superpwa.com, yeah. So that means the one signal SDK worker JS. I think this one for the PWA website, maybe from the plugin or the developer just put. Maybe for I don't know what service they use now, but let me check. Uh, Another file like index.php clean. So actually, if the WordPress file has been hacked, they got really massive lines of code before the defined and the required. That one is the typical attack for WordPress, but this one I can't see it. So let me try to open the test.php. What is this? This one is ajax dot get from hello.php and then alert. Oh, I think this one is their test file. What is actually happening here? So I think if this is not the hacking or the hacker attack, that means the website has upgraded I think uh, their PHP version or the server. So let me try to check the line 104 in class query. Where is the file? Home key djoy public HTML. So let's see the file. Public HTML WP content and insert the plugins index. Let me check this one first. Nothing. Plugins. WooCommerce subscriptions includes the class WCS query.php. Class WCS query. Okay, line 104. Let's see 104. Get endpoint title. So the error is declaration of WCS query get endpoint title should be compatible with WC query. Get endpoint title in home blah 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 blah. So is it the version they update? I think they have updated the version of WooCommerce that give this error. So let me just repair the admin first, so we can check the version. Oh, but here also the error. So what we can do here? Let me see declaration of WCS query. So let Google it. Let us Google it. This is typical. This is typical programmer. We are just going to Google it, Google until we find the answer. So let me check. My line is quite slow now. So hi, I updated WooCommerce last night. 4.7 this morning. I had this back end error. So this is the same error with our error here. So that means this is not a virus or an attack, but this one seems to be the updated version. I mean, they got clash with another functions here. So what we can do here is this particular forum is question we are directly related to the feature and functionality of become for support which is sold on WooCommerce. Okay. This one already fixed on WooCommerce subscription 3.01. So how do we check the version of WooCommerce? WooCommerce subscription. Let me see. WPML. Config.xml. Not in here. WooCommerce subscription contributor prospects take requires test up to 4 point up, requires PHP 5.6. WC require at least 2.5. WC tested up to 3.2. That means the WooCommerce version must at least 2.5. So let me speak. So the WooCommerce readme. So what is the version of this? Version is 5.8, but now the subscription is version. Where is the version? Can we download it manual? Declaration of WCS query get endpoint title endpoint should be compatible with WC query get endpoint. That means there are some functions from the WC query that called the get point title. That means there's the same name of the method that in WCS query class has available in WC query. So let me check the WC query. Is it correct or not? WC query, so it should be in WC, the WooCommerce, I think. WC query. Oh, it's not here. It's not here. So where is the code? I think inside this. I don't know where is the father of the WC query, but I think I can check or guess it. Class WC query maybe. Yeah, it's correct. So that means from the WC query and the WCS query, they have the same method name. Where is the method name? Get endpoint title in here. Oops. Same name should be in here. Is it correct? Yes. So the same name also. Oh, I think I know. Because this version uses by default WordPress read this version of WooCommerce, which is the endpoint, and they have action here, but this one only endpoint. So I think maybe we can add first to make it compatible or the same format. I think. I hope it repaired the first error. Still nope. Oh yes, yes. The first error has been fixed. Let me see the website. The website still not fixed it. Declaration WCS endpoint title should be compatible with WC query. The declaration of, is it not updated yet? Or the WC query must remove the action. So let us try the vice versa. WooCommerce subscriptions. Where is WooCommerce subscription? Wait, this one. WooCommerce subscription includes WCS query. WCS query. Is it updated or not? Class PQRS. Oh, so the Q at the top. Yes. Okay. So now our WCS query has added the action parameter, but the front end still shows this error. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. So WCS query get endpoint title should be compatible with WC query. So let us check another in Git. Yes, this one is the correct guess. Get endpoint title expect to parameter. Yup. So I have added it. So expected behavior take the second parameter action. Actual behavior doesn't have second parameter action. Step reproduce the bug. Go to WooCommerce subscription includes class WCS query. Details. Fix it work. Is there any class that use the same file, or I am editing the wrong file here? WC should be WooCommerce. WCS should be WooCommerce subscription. Sound blended. WooCommerce. Let me check here. Query. This action is here, but really? Okay, so this one. Endpoint. So this one is just written the title. Let me check in Google again. Take the second parameter action. Am I put the correct name? Action. Yes. So what's the difference here? I think we can copy the whole line. So this one I might be commented out. So then paste. Make sure the same name. The same name. And the same name. Why is this still error? It's okay. So we are going to check the error in the admin part. So Anka exception cannot construct an instance of automatic WooCommerce block asset data registry because it has not been registered in home KDJoy, WooCommerce, Gutenberg, product block, SRC. Okay, automatic. So the error is inside the home KDJoy public HTML, WP content, plugin, WooCommerce, Gutenberg, products, block, SRC, registry, container. So I think this one is not hacked WordPress, but I think this one the developer has wrongly update the version of WooCommerce, or maybe they got some plugin that auto update the plugins. So that makes maybe the one version has been updated, but the other version is not updated. So everything now goes to wrong hand. Wrong hand? No, it goes to the go to error and block the admin page. So I think it's either we can turn back it to the old version, or I think need to remove this plugin first. So let me check. WooCommerce .sc container line 89. Plugins. Woo Gutenberg product. Actually, I don't have many experience in WordPress development because I don't like use WordPress. I've been left WordPress since 2017, I think 2017 or 2016. That one is the last year that I use WordPress. But now I just help people that have some errors so that I can check what make the errors pop here. So I think this one it got hacked. So there's nothing interesting in this work now. I'm just fixing bugs for the version error now. So boring. 89. So the portable SRC registry container line 89. It's not been registered. What's that mean? Interface for retrieving the dependencies stored in the container for the given identifier. Parameter string ID identifier is dependency being retrieved. Throw exception if there is no dependencies for given identifier in the container. This one is quite hard for me. I need to understand the codes, but I think I will just find the fix in Google. In Google. Damn. So damn. Error remain the same until we do not use the exception class. So what is this error? I'm new to WooCommerce. Yes, I'm new to, and I'm trying to fetch our product from WooCommerce application, but something went wrong from fetching the data. Here is my basic code. It's showing me an error. The WooCommerce was not found. This one is not my error. This one is not my error. So what is my error now? Cannot construct an instance of atomic. Okay. Is there any other person in here that have this error? Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. So let me check the plugins. WordPress. Oops. WordPress disable plugins manually. Okay, we have a guide here. Via FTP also can. So navigate to the WP contents. Hmm. Wow. Is that mean they put the plug in? Okay, okay. So we can try. We can try it. Um. First, we need to do is we are going to disable this WooCommerce subscription. Maybe this one that give us error, but this one Woo Gothenburg also got this error. So let me just rename it first. Underscore O. So just rename the folder name as the Google said. Oh man, what I'm doing, I'm just following the Google. I don't know, but now I'm a hacker. See? So let me refresh the page. Still the same. I think it's not the file here. Is it really? Is it really use this WP content? Hmm. This config actually I cannot show you, but I need to see it. Maybe I can adjust it. Oh damn! We found their database. Let me tell to my friends. Ta-da! Okay, the login page now is good because we just disable manually the plugin. I think the plugin that caused our error is there's two. The first one is WooCommerce subscriptions, and the second one is the Woo Gothenburg product blog. I don't know what is this. I never use this. Even WooCommerce, it's long time no see. Long time I don't use this one. So let me try to log into their admin. My friend doesn't give me the permission to log in the admin. So what? You want me to hack it? Oh man, come on. Okay, so I have the admin panel fixed now for now, but this is a hard-coded repair. It's not a good way to repair any WordPress or Joomla or any kind of projects, because if we found an error because of the version error, then we need to fix it by using the latest updates or the latest patch. Just like the GitHub said, we need to update their plugin. So this one can be more reliable repair. Okay, So, but now since I have their since I have their WordPress, so let us scan their uh, let us scan their WordPress. Is it good or not? So let me show you how to make the scan. Okay. So first, Harry Intelti alias Gmail. This is my account. So my password. Okay, then I continue. Okay, actually, I'm a premium member on Hack the Box. If you guys want to learn more about hacking, then you can register at Hack the Box, because they have a lot of labs to hack. Even you can learn how to hack a website, hack an application, and more. Okay, you can learn more at Hack the Box. But for me, I use the Hack the Box. It's not for learn to hacking, not for playing their machines, but I use their premium tools, so that I can have my own machine to they have pawn box actually. So actually it's a remote control VNC that we can log in into the OS, so we can hack. It's not hack lah, it's not it's like we are scan for vulnerabilities. Okay, so I start my pawn box. This is from the box. If you are using the free account, they give you 2 hours per month, I think. So you can log into their pawn box for 2 hours per month. And if you log in for as a premium member, as a VIP member, then you can use their pawn box. I think like 24 hours per month, I think. But for me, it's a VIP plus, so I can log in anywhere that I want. I can take the 24 hours every day. Okay, so here you can see that my hours is infinite. So the cost is not too higher. I think it's like $20 per month or $15 per month. So you can check their pricing here. Okay, so now I have my pawn box, so I can open the desktop. Okay, so let's see. Actually, Headerbox uses Parrot. They are not using the Kali Linux, because I think Kali Linux is not light. Kali Linux is quite big. Their file, the configurations, but the Parrot is quite light, and it's it's kind of uh the same like the Kali Linux, but it's more light. It's more simple. Okay. So let me navigate to, no need to navigate, just open our terminal here. Okay, so if I have a customer like this one, and we want to check whether the website is hackable or vulnerable, we can use the WP scan to check, to list out their plugins, their themes that are outdated themes, outdated plugins, so we can see if there is error, or sorry, there is a open vulnerability or not. Okay, so let us try. I copy the URL here, so I need to paste in here. Okay, now I will use WP scan. So WP scan requires dash URL. Then I put the paste the URL, and then I can dash enumerate like maybe plugins, the P, and then I run it. So do you want to update? Yes, this one is update the WP scan database. Actually, this one is basic. You can Google and you can see, watch on YouTube how to use WP scan, how to, maybe they say that how to hack WP scan maybe. Beside that, I think we can see the um where is my We can see their API too. Let me try. What the link? Actually, I forgot the links. WP dash XML RPC. No, I forgot. I think WP activate, WP blow header, comment, config, cron, links, load, login, mail, settings, sign up, trade back. I forgot the API. I think just might need /API. It's quite slow now. The page not found. Okay, so the page can be used if we are navigate to another page, but the error is still up there. Why? Okay, I don't know why yet. Let us see the result from the WP scan now. So this is the result. Why is it lag? Why is it lag? Okay. So now for the enumerate P, that means we want to enumerate or we want to list out their plugins. Okay. So let me see here. It's quite lag. I don't know why. Maybe my computer got smashed now. Their CPU has been used too much. Okay, so XML. So this one is the result from the XML. From the WP scan. So here we can check that what plugin that they use. Like just now, the headers information no need. Yeah, it's quite lag. I don't know why. I think we can write it into files. I think. Let me export it as a text. I don't know why this one is lag. So once again, I run the same command, but I put it in my in the file. So let me put desktop slash WP scan result or just a result.text. So let us wait for a while. Maybe I have too much tab here, so I need to close. Oops, I just closed the header box. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so now the result has been updated. So let us see it. Let us see. This one is the result.text. So I open the file. Yeah. So this one is less lag. Okay. What information that we can get from here is okay, for the new WP scan, they need a token, API token here. Actually, we can get it free daily for 25 requests per day. I think it's enough for scan a website or two website. But if you want to scan more, then you need to pay to WP scan. Okay, because they hold the database, so they hold their enumeration report there. So we need to pay them so that they can maintain their report. So this one is the simple scan that I do for a demo only. So from here, we can see that the WordPress is using the version of 5.8.2. But I don't know, is this the latest one or not? So WordPress, let's see to the let's go to the WordPress website. Now going to download. So let me check. Let us check. Yes, this one is the latest one. I think maybe they just update their WordPress. So then their WooCommerce also got error. Okay, this is a typical problem. Whenever we updated the WordPress, so the plugin also need to be updated. But sometimes when WordPress has been updated, but the WordPress developer doesn't put any code, they don't put any new update, new patch for compatibility on the current new WordPress. So it's a common issue that every time we update something, then got error. This one is common issue. Okay, because the first time I see it, I think the WordPress got hacked because my friends called and he said because last time they he give me one of his customer also have been hacked, and I found the virus and then I cleaned the virus. I create the backup for him, but now when the WordPress got down once again, he thinks that the WordPress has been hacked. So my title uh, has been scam. It's been a clickbait now. Okay, so I'm sorry, this is not a hack, but meanwhile I will show you how to really hack the WordPress. It's not a hack, but actually it's a scan. Okay, it's a scan. Okay, so for the P for enumerate or listing all the plugins. So then if you want to list out all the themes, so you can put T here, enumerate T, and then uses the I don't know what the name of the right area there. Then you can print out into a file because my terminal now got lag, so I just result2.txt, result2.txt. So I just run it again. And the special of WP scan that we can actually enumerate the user's name, what user that available in the WordPress. Then we can also brute force the password. So if you have a long list password, a good long list password, and then you can try to brute force the username one by one just using WP scan without no need to use any other tools, just only WP scan, it's enough. Okay, so we need to wait a while the report has been created by the WP. Okay, this one is done. So let us check the themes here. Let me open the files. Okay, result2.txt, I open it. So now they have listed all the themes. Okay, so they have themes extra, they have theme Hello Elementor. I think Hello Elementor is not a theme. So it's a theme. Yes, Hello Elementor. And then okay, they have only two themes. Actually, for keep a good WordPress, okay, a good WordPress, just install only one the one and only themes, because the WordPress we can only enable one we can only enable one theme, so no need to install the other theme, because sometimes we forgot to update the themes that we are not using it. So might be open a vulnerability to our website because we don't use that themes, but we don't delete it, we don't remove it. So maybe can give us some problem there. Okay, the same as plugin. If you don't use the plugin, please just remove it. Disable it is not it's not enough. You need to remove it, remove the plugin. Okay, so now we have the report for plugin and themes. Now we are trying to list out the user. I think we can just change this to result 3, and then the T enumerate T just change to U. That means enumerate user. So let us press on enter. So this one will take a while. Actually, enumerate user is not so powerful because WordPress by default they open the API. So actually we can actually I forgot the URL for API, but let me check again. Is it WP API? Because from the API we can see the list of user too. Okay, WP API. Let me Google it. It's been years that I've stopped using WordPress, so I forgot a lot of setting WordPress API. Endpoint. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? WP-JSON. Okay, let me try. WP-JSON dash slash WP v2. WP slash v2. Yeah, this one. So this is the API from the default WordPress. So we just can expand this one, and then we search for users. Is there users here? Actually, this endpoint can be disabled. Yes, this one. Users, there's me. Users. I don't know, where is it? Dah habis dah. Tengok kat YouTube. Okay, so back to so back to our WordPress. So let us see the result of enumerate you. So let us see for the enumerate use here, result 3. Then we scroll. Yeah, I think we got it. We got the users. So the users identified. The first one is Kiddy Joy, and the 7 Maker, the Kiddy Joy, Agent Test, Talkies Test. So this one, all of this is the result of enumerated users. Okay. But this one is not showing that your WordPress is insecure. You can secure your WordPress by many ways. One of them is removing the unused plugin and themes, and then securing your password with random password that generated by WordPress. That one is really secure. Then keep update your application, keep update your WordPress, keep update your plugin. So that one can help you how to improve your security. So I think that's it for tonight. I will give this website back to my friends, and I will ask him to tell to their developer to update their WordPress. Okay, because actually I don't have the login information here, so I cannot show you how to update the plugin. But here we are. I think this is finished. So thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry because there is no WordPress hack now, but I just only show you how to scan the WordPress. I think it might useful for you. But if you have any problem, then you can comment out, and then if you like the video, you press on like. If you like me, subscribe. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and assalamualaikum. Peace yo.